Hey boys, got a new radio, not new radio, but a radio for the bench. It's a old realistic TRC 850. It's an AM upper and lower side band base station. And this one's in for a couple of issues. One, the channel display. Part of it is out. And the other part, so far it seems that a lot of the channels don't seem to be working. Channel 1, 2, 3. So 1 to 7 is dead. Or 1 to 8 is dead. 12 to 18 is dead. 19 is dead. 22 to 28 is dead. 32 to 40 is dead. Lead me to believe we've got a channel selector issue, or the VCO is not completely locking in here. So what I plan on doing with this radio, or with this little video, instead of making one big ass video, we're just going to be doing little short ones, like mini series basically. So let's see if she transmits any power on channel 1. As you can see, nothing. Channel 9. Countdown. See if she's on frequency here, right? $295 on channel 9. What the hell? $285 on channel 20. $385 on channel 30. Oh my lord. What is going on with this poor radio? Channel 40. Wow. Okay, this poor radio definitely has issues. So, looks like we're going to be pulling the cover on this and see what's going on. Because, yeah, it's not looking good. It's kind of looking like a channel selector, but I don't know at this point. I don't think channel selector be that buggered up, I don't think. Anyway, TRC 850. So, if you're interested in tagging along on this series of videos on this little critter, stay tuned. The next few videos now will be about this TRC 850. So I'll put this one down as part 1. Anyway, so we know we have issues. Is it channel selector issues, PLL issues, VCO issues, or what? Anyway, see you next video. We'll pull her apart and see what's going on.